right, so in the right lane, we have the Nissan Skyline, Ziggy, driven by Sun Tzu. And the chest is on, and the chest is on. And Jared, but look champion right next to me. Ah boy, we have a legend. We have a legend in the driver's seat on the left lane. Tintman, we have a legend. We're not just not going to get the race ride. Tintman, we have a legend in the left lane. Never see you. Don't worry, when you come back up, we'll tell it. Jared and the Subaru Forester coming up again. To pull that box though.
Well, the Forester won it by a cruise ship.
Run! No connect.
They're on the line. Let's see.
Drivers. And it looks close. It looks close. Let's wait for the final line. It looks close. It looks close. Eli by 3 car lengths.
How close was that?
It's closer than the last one. 3 car lengths. Slow. Plenty of them passing outside there. Boom, 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 boom.
Oh, it's a big noise.
The whole week, say everybody come. Whole week, big up the Sandwich crew one time. Big up the Sandwich crew. From a little body that Moses wanted. Let me tell you a story. I just be on the day front and I just see both of those cars passing. Boom, 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 boom. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Well, right now we're on the tarmac. Right now we're on the tarmac. Line up. Like I want to see who are foremost. Body for racing. Right now. Watch out. Hold on a second, let's wait to see. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Defense bricks. I don't know. These bricks are gas. I don't know.
Let's just line them up.
Yeah, boy. The pressure is on.
Pressure is on.
We try to make somebody tonight.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. Easy does it. Orange shoes. No, he lose. He don't lose.
You don't lose. But to be the person. But wait a while, all you. I don't lie. But to be possible. Guys, I don't know. But to me, they pass crazy on that one. Yeah, boy. 5 seconds. They're about to race again, guys. Let's take it. You pass him, not true? You pass him, I know that. I know that. Sorry. Chris, what? Boy, no, you mad? Yeah, man, yeah, man. Things hot, boy, things hot.